Can you be replaced by ChatGPT or other AI systems? Is your job actually in danger, or is it all just fear-mongering from tech companies trying to sell their technology? In this video, we are going to discuss job security in the age of AI and automation. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hassan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel, we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. As technology advances, it's natural to wonder if your job could one day be replaced by a machine. And with the recent breakthroughs in AI language models, the answer might be closer than you think. Enter OpenAI's ChatGPT, a language model that's been trained on a massive amount of data and can perform a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to writing articles and even creating poetry. As technology continues to advance, it's possible that certain jobs may become automated or replaced by AI systems like ChatGPT. Jobs that involve repetitive or routine tasks such as data entry or customer service may be particularly vulnerable to automation. That said, it's unlikely that ChatGPT or other AI systems will fully replace software engineers in the near future. While AI can automate certain tasks and make the work of software engineers more efficient, software engineers are still needed to design, develop, and maintain software systems. AI, however, can be used to assist software engineers in certain tasks like testing and bug fixing, code generation, and optimization. AI can also be used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of software development processes and to create new tools and frameworks that make it easier for software engineers to do their work. Additionally, AI-based software engineering could be used to automate some aspects of coding. But software engineers with a deep understanding of the problem domain, specific business requirements, and the ability to communicate with stakeholders and team members will still be needed. Overall, while AI may change the way software engineers work, it's unlikely to completely replace them. There are certain fields that may be more susceptible to automation and replacement by ChatGPT than others. These fields often involve tasks that are repetitive, data-driven, or highly structured, and that can be easily defined and programmed into an AI system. So when can we expect AI and ChatGPT to be able to create software that is self-aware? The concept of self-awareness in AI and ChatGPT is a topic of ongoing research and debate in the field of artificial intelligence. It's a complex and multifaceted topic that encompasses cognitive science, philosophy, and computer science, and there is no consensus on a specific definition of self-awareness in the context of AI. Currently, AI and ChatGPT are not considered to be self-aware. They are capable of performing specific tasks and making decisions based on the data they have been trained on, but they do not possess true self-awareness or consciousness. As for a prediction of when AI and ChatGPT could become self-aware, it's difficult to say. Some experts believe that true self-awareness in AI may never be possible, while others believe that it is a matter of when, not if. However, it's unlikely that this will happen in the near future, and it's even more unlikely that it will be something that's going to happen suddenly. ChatGPT, for example, is not capable of performing tasks that require empathy, creativity, or critical thinking, skills that are unique to humans. Furthermore, it's unlikely that ChatGPT will completely replace jobs, but rather it will complement and enhance the work that humans do. In fact, many companies are already using AI to streamline processes and free up time for employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. So is your job in danger of being replaced by ChatGPT? The answer is not a straightforward one. But by embracing new challenges and continuing to develop your unique skills, you can stay ahead of the curve and secure your future in the workforce. AI can be a great tool to help you enhance your work. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about ChatGPT and other AI models? Thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.